Traffic heavy. It's raining, but not hard. The traffic started further back, but this should give an idea of how extensive poor driving affects everyone. Slower traffic keep right means that on multi-lane highways, vehicles traveling below the normal speed of traffic must stay in the right-hand lane. The left lane is strictly reserved for passing other vehicles. This rule promotes safety and improves traffic flow. At least here in Illinois, under the Illinois Vehicle Code, it is illegal to cruise or block traffic in the left lane on interstates and controlled access highways. You may only drive there actively to pass or exit or turn left. The whole backup caused by these two bad drivers. We are already doing 40-45 mph right at minimum. These two are way below that, and in the far left lane of a 4-lane road. If you are concerned or are afraid to drive in any kind of weather, so many more options available. Most importantly, get out of the far left lane. Pull over to the shoulder until it clears. There are 2 full shoulders here, one on both sides. If you feel you must continue driving, drive on the shoulder. Get out of traffic.